Real estate agents, do you suffer from shiny penny syndrome? What that is basically every time something new and pretty comes along, you just got to jump on it. And in terms of business, it can be pretty crazy. I myself am quite guilty of this. Every time a new lead source comes out or a new platform, I've got to look into it. I've got to start implementing it, and I got to start training my agents on it. The problem with that is, first off, your agents can get quite frustrated because it's just too many things happening, typically all at once, and they don't like change. A lot of my agents just prefer things the way they are. And you know what? I have to agree with them. Instead of just going for the new coolest thing or, the new latest, hit the new Zillow maybe, why don't you focus on what's working? In my world, that means these leads that are proven time and time again to be closing, or just certain actions as well. We don't have to talk about a marketing budget. It might just be open houses. Are open houses working for you? And all of a sudden you want to start messing around with door knocking? Well, there's a time and a place for everything, but I would say focus on what's working. Some people, highly effective at circle prospecting, calling for sell by owners, expireds, do that. Do that all day long. Other people are better doing open houses. Some door knocking. There's so many different avenues. That's what's so amazing about real estate. You can make so much money in so many different ways in this game. However, what I would say is specialize in something and just double down on it. So instead of just going crazy on a couple different things or multiple different things, go hard on one thing and be the best at it.